This is a quick guide to help you to safely store two-piece ratchet straps, like this. Okay, so this is what you're normally presented with, a pile of strap and obviously your ratchet. And what we need to do to start with is you take your ratchet, and you want to make sure that the pull, which is this piece in the middle here, that the slot in the pull is then horizontal across the top. So you need to ratchet it until you get it in the horizontal position, like so. Now lay it with the hook facing down. I'll actually hook it onto here, it makes life a bit easier. The other side, with the strap itself, do the same thing, facing down again, like so. Keep the strap straight and work your way to the end. But make sure you keep the strap facing the same way, like so. And then we need to go down through that slot and pull back. And now bring the strap up to that point, roughly. This can be adjusted later on, and I'll show you that in a minute. Now, work our way back to the end of the strap, keeping the strap straight again. When you get to this point, fold the strap back on itself and start to create a roll. And roll it up on itself. And you can retension this at any stage. If it gets a bit slack inside, you can hold the middle and pull on the strap and it will tighten the roll up. And that's what you're looking for, is a nice tight roll, so it stores more efficiently. We now need to turn the ratchet over like so and carry on rolling this up until it sits on top of the ratchet at that point. And now we bring this end over like so, turn the hook back on itself and bring this one over. Now this one is actually too tight, so I need to adjust this, and all I do, just hold on to the reel and pull some slack through, like so. That should do the trick, I think. Yeah. It should be quite tight. The tighter you get that, the better. And that's how you create your safe storage. But this also has the added advantage that it's not only tidy, but it's instantly ready for use when you need to tie something down. Literally, all we need to do is unhook the end, like so, and hook on to your lashing points with either end. And that's the quick and simple guide to keeping your ratchets tidy. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.